Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the new beauty test tube for the month of September. So I'm a little bit ahead of the game, which is really exciting. So if you don't know about new beauty test tube, it is $29.95, so $30 every other month. I personally did the year-long subscription because I was really excited about that first box. So for me, it's been pretty good. Not every single test tube is like the most amazing for me personally, but anytime you get a subscription box, it's kind of a gamble if you're going to love everything. But it's been a lot more hits than misses for me personally, and with these you get a lot of skincare and things you may not regularly purchase for yourself. So it's a good one if you're like, I need to do more for myself, but you don't really want to invest, you know, hundreds of dollars, because usually it's a really good value. So I've rambled a lot. First off, I know my eye makeup may look a little crazy to you guys. I have like 5 new colorful palettes right now. Most of them are really small. One of them is big that I'm doing a like dedicated video for, but a lot of them are smaller palettes that I'm going to put to the test. I've got high-end, I've got drugstore, and I'm going to let you guys know which ones I like. But of course, I want to be able to test, you know, almost every color in the palette to really give you an indication. This one is the Sugar Pill Fun Size palette, which is really cute, and I used almost every color in this palette to create this look. I really enjoy it, but more details to come on that. So without further ado, let's get into the new beauty test tube. We get our little pamphlet every time. I'm kind of put that to the side. I will definitely look to that as I go through the items. You always get the tube itself, which comes like this. I should also mention too that you do get a magazine subscription as well. So sometimes I'll get magazines pop up at my door and it's kind of included with this. If you're a magazine person, I know a lot of people aren't at this point. It's like, you know, we look at our phones all day long, so magazines aren't cool. But sometimes I enjoy looking at a magazine. I don't know, it's kind of like nostalgic for me because I used to love getting magazines. And then when I was tired of them, I would like cut them up and make collages and stuff. I was definitely that kind of nerd. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in. So inside my box, I have a few items as well, not in the tube. That's usually typical. Sometimes they'll have bigger items that don't fit. The first thing is kind of interesting. It says boost your glow with a $50 upgrade. So this is for HydraFacial. So it says to visit hydrafacialnation.com/newbeauty and mention New Beauty when you book your appointment. And it looks like you actually get, oh, this is the Derma Builder Advanced Age Refining Peptide Complex Solution. So this is specifically for getting a HydraFacial. That's interesting. So this is what the little vial looks like. It says you receive $50 off your next deluxe HydraFacial treatment when you bring the enclosed booster to your appointment. Okay, that's interesting. I did at one point like price HydraFacials, but I can't say that I remember the cost of them. I don't think they're extremely expensive, so $50 off would probably be like a pretty good discount. I really enjoy getting microneedling, but I did not get a HydraFacial, so maybe that should be next on my list. Okay, so next I have Probiogen. It's a daily digestive balance probiotic. 1,000 times better survival. I'm not an expert on probiotics, so I would never claim to be. It's a daily digestive balance blend. It says this goes for $24.99. You can find it at GNC. That's what the bottle looks like. It says it's a high potency once daily probiotic supplement that helps support the digestive and immune systems, promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. Okay. I'm actually kind of excited because I've been wanting to kind of do some research and look into probiotics, and because a lot of things are like associated with your gut health and things like that, and I'm, like I said, not an expert, so I need to like do my research. But it's kind of cool that I got this and I can try it out. It says it's a blend of good bacteria to help maintain the digestive tract's natural balance of biotics. The formula is free of dairy, soy, gluten, and GMOs. I will try these out and I will keep you guys updated in my weekly vlogs what I'm thinking about that. I think it's like a 1-month supply, so I don't know if you'll see any big differences, but I'm pretty intrigued. The next thing is from Batiste, and I love their dry shampoos. This is in Sassy and Daring Wild. I actually recently used one of these. I'm pretty sure that I have this can in my empties bin right now, and I do like this scent a lot. This goes for $8.99. Of course, you can pick this up at Ulta. I've actually found these a lot at TJ Maxx as well. So of course, it's dry shampoo. It's pretty self-explanatory. It'll absorb oil on the scalp, kind of refresh your hair, and I like to let my hair go for right now like 3 to 4 days is how long I like to wait before washing my hair 4 is really pushing it for me, but a minimum of 2 days per wash. And I don't know, it seems to have helped my hair a lot. My hair is very baby fine, very fragile, and I feel like the more that I wash it, the more it was just like breaking. So I feel like it's helped my hair a lot, and I do really like Batiste dry shampoos. Highly recommend, especially if you want something affordable. So that's everything in the box. Now we can get into the tube. Oh, uh-oh. Something popped right out. Whew. That's a strong scent. So this is the Mass Eden Facial Steam. It's so funny because I was literally going through some of my stuff the other night, and I have a botanical steam that I have not used. I've never tried one, so I need to just, you know, give it a try and see what I think. So it says this goes for $16. At this point in time, I wouldn't pay $16 for this, but maybe I'll use it and fall in love with it. Who knows? It says it's a mixture of tea spices that work with steam to create a weekly at-home DIY spa treatment. So it's just you place the bag in a pot of water, boil and pour into another container. So I don't know, I've never really done the steam thing. I wonder if this is in a bag or if it's like loose. Oh, okay, so you actually get multiples. So they're like little, almost like tea bags. Whew. It's potent, but that's cool. You get 4 uses in this. Okay, I was just kind of expecting it to be 1. So I guess $4 a use, not too bad. So I will have to try this out and let you guys know. I can't promise that that's going to be soon because the other one's been here for a while. The next thing I have I'm really excited about because somebody was actually like, you need to try this, it's the best thing, and I still haven't tried it. This is the Amika Reset Exfoliating Jelly Shampoo. So of course Amika always has the beautiful packaging. I think this one is supposed to help with like buildup if I'm not mistaken. It says it's a once a week shampoo treatment infused with sea salt, charcoal, and pink clay to provide a deep soothing clean for hair in need of some TLC. It's got a targeted applicator tip. Put it directly on wet scalp and hair. Okay, so it's like a little, small little applicator there. It smells good, but I think all of Amika's stuff smells good to me. Work from scalp to ends, rinse and follow with conditioner. So I feel like this would be a good one when maybe I want to do like a deep conditioning mask. Go in with this, put the mask on, let that sit. So I will definitely have to try this really soon. Like I said, I've heard really good things about it, and this goes for $25. You can get this at Sephora, you can get this on Amika's website. So I am pretty intrigued. This and the probiotics are already kind of like making it for me because this is $25, the whole thing was $30. I got dry shampoo that I love, probiotics to try, and we're not even halfway through. The next thing is from Nuria. So I actually got something from Nuria in one of my last subscription boxes, but this looks like a full size. So this is the Defend Skin Shielding Essence with ginseng and carob, probably butchering that, found in Asia. So that is the box, of course. Ooh, this is pretty. It's got like little, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see, but like little floating beads that are just hanging out in there. Let me read some about this. So this is a lightweight vegan essence with ginseng root and carob that shields skin from environmental toxins and stressors. Put it on after cleansing and toning. It says that ginseng helps to mitigate new wrinkle formation. Okay. I would love to stop it. So it comes out just like a clear little gel. That was a brow product on my hand if you're curious. Very little scent, like there's not much to it at all. Just the ingredients I'm smelling, I'm sure. It says that the carob, which I've probably butchered 3 times now, helps to calm redness and irritation, and niacinamide strengthens the skin barrier against future environmental damage. I'm excited to use that one. So this one goes for $48. Got 2 more products. This one is actually from Cureology. Oh, so this is the cleanser. We believe in simple, just cleans without clogging. Okay. So Cureology is a brand you've probably seen all over Instagram. I know a lot of people have done YouTube videos about it. I don't break out a lot, and I think that Cureology, at least on social media, seems to be a little bit tailored to those who are breaking out. But I don't know, it may just be a great cleanser. It says it's gentle foaming with anti-inflammatory oat extract that's non-comedogenic and ultra hydrating. So that actually sounds like right up my alley. One of the main things that I have issues with is my pores getting clogged. Of course, you know, wearing a lot of makeup, and I don't know, I just feel like my pores are just easily clogged, if that makes sense. Oh, I've kind of popped out a little bit, so I've got some cleanser there. Yeah, it has no scent whatsoever. If there's If there's scent in this, then I just am horrible at smelling things. It says starting at $19.55. I think they do like a subscription for skincare, but I'm really intrigued to try this after hearing so much about it. So I'll have to let you guys know what I think about the cleanser. One more product, and this is from ODE Orchard Alchemy Antioxidant Facial Oil. That sounds right up my alley. I love some oils, and let me tell you that the other day I had my Youth to the People oil, which I just started using. I've used it like 4 times, and I spilled like half of it on my carpet. I'm so sad. I love Youth to the People. Like, everything I've tried has been like A+, and I was so sad. Oh, this is pretty. Here is the oil. It says this is a nourishing facial serum blended with skin-loving oils and extracts, including organic early harvest extra virgin olive oil from McAvoy Ranch. It says only 2 or 3 drops are needed to cover your face. Warm the drops on your fingertips and massage into skin. Oh, it says it has more than 30 oils: olive, cherry, pumpkin seed, turmeric, and avocado, frankincense, and myrrh. Sometimes I don't like the smell when frankincense is in there, but we'll see. It says that those 2 ingredients reduce blemishes and large pores. Okay, I'll get on board. I don't care. Stinky. If it works, I'll still do it. In aromatherapy, these extracts are trusted for restoring emotional balance. Well, hell, maybe I need to be on board with it because I could use some emotional balance. She's a pretty potent smell, I'm not gonna lie. It's not my favorite. But like I said, if a product works, I can get over the scent. Like, a lot of people don't like the way Luna from Sunday Riley smells, and I'm like, yes, give me more, I don't care. This actually smells kind of similar to that. It smells very like earthy and maybe like something you would smell in a very natural spa setting. So I'm not mad at it. I can use this for sure. I feel like oils benefit my skin so much. Like, I can tell the difference when I'm using one versus when I'm not. And right now, I really haven't been using one lately. I've gotten a little bit lazy in my skincare, which for me is like crazy. But I'm very excited to try this out. So that was the last thing in here. And this oil goes for $65. Wow. So McAvoyRanch.com if you are interested in checking out that product. Very excited. The scent is already dying away, and it kind of smells a little peppery. I don't know if that makes sense, if any of that's supposed to smell like pepper, but I don't mind it. Okay, so I want to total these things up for you. So I don't know about the Cureology cleanser because I feel like it's part of a subscription, so I don't really know how that's priced. But Amika is $25, $65 for the serum. We are already at $90. $48 for the essence, so that puts us at $138. Batiste dry shampoo is, I would just say, $9, so already $147. $25 for the probiotics, so what does that put us at? $172. $16 for our little facial steam, so $188, so $188, and that's without even counting this because it's part of a subscription. But overall, a really good deal. I'm definitely most excited about these 3 items. Actually, I'm excited about the probiotics. I know that's kind of boring and it's not your typical beauty product, but beauty from within. But I am so stoked to try these products out. So let me know what you think below about New Beauty Test Tube. I will link some of my other unboxings below. That way you can see, you know, the good, the bad, and how it progresses over time versus just one tube if you want to check that out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave me a big thumbs up if you did, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!
I make videos about beauty products and just the general way that I have and buy way too much. I cannot remember the price, damn it. Yada yada yada, because I suck. Hey! $25.47? Yeah!